Hello everyone, so today we're going to be making pumpkin hand pie. So we're going to lightly flour the surface and we're going to unroll this very carefully. You should be able to get about 9 pieces from just one dough selection. So we're going to roll out the rest. Okay, so this is the first batch of pie dough and we have 9 pieces. So we're going to refrigerate this. We're going to work on the second one and do the same thing. Then we're going to refrigerate it as well. Okay, so these are the ingredients for the filling. Brown sugar, heavy cream. You need 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin spice. 1 teaspoon and a half. And finally, you need salt. This is 1/4. Oops. Okay, so here I have the first batch of the pie dough. As you can see, I was able to cut out one extra one. So you take 1 tablespoon and just start filling. Okay, so I do have enough for one more, so this makes 10 hand pies. Okay, we're going to set this aside, and we're going to get the other batch. Okay, so you're going to get a knife, and you're going to cut curved slices, making it resemble a pumpkin. I'm going to just refrigerate these again while I brush egg wash on the edges of these. Okay, so now we have the other dough pieces out and we're going to just place each one on top. Before placing it on top, I do sort of stretch it out just a bit. Since we have 10, we're going to bake them in batches of 5. This is 1 egg that I mixed with a bit of water, and we're going to brush some on top. Okay, so now we're going to sprinkle with some cinnamon sugar. My oven has been preheated at 400 degrees, so we're going to bake these for 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown. Okay, so these are already baked and cool.